Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. Look what I have here in front of me. This is pretty unique. This is a pineapple chili jam. This is my father's recipe. And he makes that and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to share that because this is brilliant. It's super easy to make. We have pineapple and chilies all over the world, don't we? So okay, and it's very good with the strong cheeses. If you have access to vegan, what's the name, Roquefort or these kind of a strong cheese, vegan. Parmesan, it's really good with that. If you make like a very strong stew, you can serve with it, and then or with some crackers for a small snack or a starter. It's just as brilliant. If you serve it to your friends and family, they're gonna be wowed. It's a little bit spicy, depends on how much depending on how many chilies you put in it, so that's totally up to you. So let's start with the recipe. All right, here I have chopped fresh pineapples, to which we're going to blend. And then I'm going to deseed and mince 2 red chilies. Now, a tip for you before you make these jam or jelly, depends on where you live. So get to know the chili you're going to use, okay? Get to know if it's sour, if it's bitter, if it's a little bit too hot. Those ones that I use here, they're pretty mild, but they're mild to my taste. My husband is probably gonna say that you're gonna have to call the fire department. But to me, so this all depends. So the 2 things, make sure that you deseed them. You can leave a little bit of the seeds. Again, depends on how hot you like it. And but you remove that white membrane that you see inside of the pepper. All peppers have that. This doesn't digest very well, and it tends to leave your food a little bit bitter. So be sure to remove that. And here I have 1 peeled apple, grated. Now we're going to add all the ingredients to a pot. The blended pineapples, the grated apple, the minced chili, a whole clove of garlic, and sugar. And now we're going to stir it and bring it to a boil. And once it boils, we're going to simmer it for, okay, here's the stretch, okay? It depends. Sometimes I make it and it's like 20 minutes. And then sometimes I make it and it's 40 minutes. So it depends on the pineapple, it depends on how much water there is inside. So there's a lot of variables, but the important thing is that you have to keep an eye on it, okay? You don't need to be stirring while it simmers for the 40 minutes or the 20 minutes, but you need to keep an eye on it. You cannot definitely leave it alone, okay? So the right point, because in Portuguese is ponto, o ponto perfeito, the perfect point of this jam is when you're stirring it in the pot and it separates once you pass your spatula. That's when it's ready, and it's supposed to be shiny, and it's supposed to taste cooked. In Brazil we have another name for that, which is a ponto de bala. It's a candy that is supposed to look like candy, like caramel. Let me tell you, my father used to make that every year, especially in the summer, because this is pretty freshy. Oh, another tip for you guys. I can see here that I still have some pieces of pepper, of chili. So we want that, okay? Don't mince the chili so much to the point that they're going to disappear, because the beauty of this jam is to see those small little red strings from hell. No, from hell. They're not so spicy. Come on, I'll show you. Oh. Gorgeous. It's beautiful. It tingles a little bit, just perfect. Because if you make it mild like mine, those chilies that I find here in Spain, they're very mild. That's another thing. So that's why I told you, get to know the chili that you're going to use, okay? Never, under any circumstances, use green chili. No. My father tried it and he's like, please stay away from it. No. You don't need, I love you guys. You don't need to, you've done nothing wrong. So I cannot tell you, because you're gonna write in the comments below, how about the green? And like, my father's experience with that was horrible. So try to stay away from it. Unless you wanna make an experiment and then, okay, see for yourself. But I wouldn't advise you to do so. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. The tastes are singing in my mouth. It's beautiful. Please make it. And you know what else? It's very good for the holidays that are coming, to give to your friends as a small gift. How about that? I think about everything. I think about you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I have been so like over the moon because we have almost 100,000 subscribers. Yay! Amazing, isn't it? You guys are awesome. I was gonna say we are awesome. No, you are, because you are the ones who are helping me out in this journey. You're part of it. So thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. That was a hint for you, in case you didn't notice. Be part of the nice squad here. And yeah, that's it. I see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.